Dust in the air, late afternoon. Cardboard boxes, old perfume. I found your name in crooked ink, and every word made time stand still. A letter found in the attic said the things you never said. Folded dreams and second chances, written long before we bled. The house is quiet, roof still leaks. Same old creaks along the stairs. I wonder if you ever knew I'd end up finding you up there. Some truths wait until it's too late. You roll out leaving in the spring, chasing work in younger days. Said you come back before the frost, but life got in the way. A letter found in the attic, yellowed lines, a steady hand. I heard your voice between the words, trying hard to be a man. If I'd known you needed grace more than pride, more than time, I'd have met you halfway home. Instead of reading this goodbye. If I'd known you needed grace more than pride, more than time, I'd have met you halfway home. Instead of reading this goodbye, I folded it slow, then let it be. Some love waits to set us free. Pine trees sway, afternoon thins, wind hums soft between the limbs. Before I see him, I already know the whistle through the pines. Grandpa's whistle through the pines, never hurried, never loud. Carry more than just a tune, carry where we're bound. Trails grown over, boots are new, but that sound still cuts me through. I stop and listen, half my mind walking back in time. Funny how a breath of air shows you care. Hands in pockets, easy stride, sun at his back, world outside, he'd whistle low, let worries go, teach me things he'd never say. Grandpa's whistle through the pines marked the close of day. Let us know the work was done and it's okay to stay. If I ever lose my way or talk too much too fast, I listen for that simple tune that still knows how to last. That whistle through the pines of his, life's quiet inside me. Reminds me strength don't need a shout, just honesty. Wind moves on, pines still sway, whistle stays this way. Dusty paws on splintered wood, quiet dreams where hay once stood, barn cats and childhood dreams, lazy days and wide-eyed schemes. Everything was what it seemed back then. The barn leans left, the paint's worn thin, cats are gone but I walk in, still feel small beneath that tin roof. Funny how a quiet place can still remember your face. Chasing tails in afternoon, naming stars, inventing moons, thought the world would come real soon for us. Those barn cats and childhood dreams taught my heart to wander free. Life was just a possibility back then. I wanted roads, I wanted more. Never thought I'd miss that floor. Cold dirt, warm hope, open door. Somehow one soft purr, one deep wish. Barn cats and childhood dreams still curl up inside of me, reminding who I used to be when sun dips low on rusted beams. I smile and let it be. I smile and let it be. ticking top and wooden walls. The afternoon light on crochet shawls. Every second learn to stay in Grandma's house. Grandma's clock still ticking, same old sound. Keeps the past right where it was, safe and found. The house is quiet, keys in hand. I don't visit like I planned, but that clock still counts me in when I step back then. Funny how the slowest things mean everything. Sunday naps and lemon tea, stories told repeatedly. I'd watch that hand go round and round, thinking time was ours. Grandma's clock still ticking through the years, measuring the love we had, not the fears. If I ever rush the day or wish the hour's gone, I remember how she smiled, said, "Child, it's just moving on." Clock still ticking inside my chest, teaching me the longest waits are often best. Tick, then tock, the house stands still. Time keeps love and always will. White dust floating in the light. Love don't measure, love just knows. That room feels smaller than before. Same old stove, same creaking floor. But when I breathe, I'm a once more. Somehow some prayers never spoke out loud. They're made with hands. Grandma's hands in the flour, turning minutes into hours. Every meal a kind of power that fed us. Ebony strings and Sunday hums, windows open, morning comes. She'd smile soft, say help yourself, you mean it. Those grandma's hands in the flour held the house through every storm. Build a world warm and sure around us. passed down in simple things like this. Rolling pin, quiet song. Grandma's hands in the flower still guide me when I'm unsure, teaching me what matters more than words. Table clear, the light grows dim. Her love stays on my skin. Wooden steps in a single boat, dust and beams, the air gone still. One small wheel won't turn no more. In the attic, a broken toy truck in the attic, rusted red, hauled my dreams from room to room. Before I knew where I was headed, boxes labeled keeping old. Funny what we never sold. I hold it like it might still run if I believe enough. Funny how the smallest things outlast everything. Gravel driving afternoon, dirt-packed roads inside my room. I'd crash it once, then tape it twice. Swore it'd be just fine. That broken toy truck in the attic never quit. It taught me how to carry on with a crooked wheel and grip. If I could win the years back slow and set that axle straight, I'd still let it break the same, so I'd learn how to wait. Broken toy truck in the attic still rolls on. And every road I've ever taken since that day was gone. Light clicks off, the dust settles down. Wheels rest quiet, but the road's around. Turned up sorrel, evening chill, fence posts leaning by their wheel. Names we spoke then laid aside, where the roots in silence hide. Buried by the fence row, no one looks around. Some things don't need a marker to stay in the ground. I walk a line where we still grow, count count the steps from long ago. Don't say much, just let it be. Ground remembers more than me. Funny how the dirt still knows what the heart won't show. Daddy said some things don't last, dug that hole and turned his back. I was young, I didn't ask, just learned how silence had. Buried by the fence row, with prayers we never said. Some truths live their whole damn lives between the living and the dead. If the plow ever hits that spot and it brings it all to light, I hope the sun knows how to hold what we buried out of sight. They're buried by the fence row, ain't shame, it's time. Just a chapter laid to rest on the far side of the line. Wind goes still, crows don't sound, fence row keeps the ground. Dusty sunbeam through the old barn door. Grandpa's hat on the hook, worn and tore. I remember sitting on the porch swing slow, and his stories in that gentle flow. Old hands resting on the brim of his hat, telling me tales of how life was bad. Grandpa's old hat, sitting where he left it, smells like the field, the earth and the spirit. Every crease, every fold tells a story so true. Grandpa's old hat takes me back to you. Creek still whispers where we used to play. His laugh echoes softly in the end of day. That hat's a shadow of his steady hand. A piece of him still walks across this land. Time moves on, the barn gets old, but that worn hat keeps his warmth untold. I tip it back, remember all he gave. Grandpa's wisdom, his love, the life he paid. Grandpa's old hat, sitting where he left it, smells like the field, the earth and the spirit. Every crease, every fold tells a story so true. Grandpa's old hat takes me back to you. open sky. We made wishes, told no lies. Thought the world was soft and true. Under cotton candy skies of you. Still slow down when day turns blue, watching colors fade on cue. Older now, but I still find that same sky inside my mind. Cotton candy skies of you held our dreams without the proof. Every hope was light and aloof, floating free, not scared to lose. Bike tires hum on empty road. Summer nights and radio. We named stars we couldn't keep, promised things we meant that we didn't know when daylight died. We lose that easy side. Cotton candy skies of you melted down but left the hue. Even now when days feel tight, they still soften up the night. Stand there once again, with hands too small for doubt, I thank the sky for teaching me what letting go's about. Needle sings and lamplight low, scraps of years laid row by row. Every tear, every smile, folded in to last a while. A quilt stitched with memories pulled up to my chin. Every patch a chapter I'm living in is thinner now along the seam. Colors soft like old time dreams. Still it keeps the cold away in that faithful, quiet way. Funny how the worn out threads hold the strongest ends. Sunday dresses, workday jeans, baby blankets, teenage schemes. She'd hum low while stitching tight, teaching love by candlelight. Quilt stitched with memories, never once complained. Took the weight of every year same. If I ever feel the chill or wonder where I've been, I wrap myself in yesterday and start again. Stitched with memories, ain't cloth, it's time, sewn together by the hands that shaped my life. The light goes dim, seams still gleam, warmth remembers me. Sparks climb up to a midnight sky. Pine smoke curls as the daylight dies. Boots in a circle, no need to speak. Night knows what we need. Campfire nights so long ago, where the truth burns slow. Every laugh, every scar felt closer under the stars. I strike a match just now and then for the quiet more than the flame. Same old stories still show up when the world gets loud again. Funny how a simple fire can light the hole inside. Bent-in cups and off-key songs, passing secrets all night long. Talking brave, dreaming wide, swearing we'd never say goodbye. Campfire nights so long ago taught us more than we were told. Every spark that touched the dark left a mark on who we'd grow. If I could sit there warm by, smoke in my eyes and hope in my chest, I thank that fire for showing me how to feel at rest. If I could sit there one more time with smoke in my eyes and hope in my chest, I thank that fire for showing me how to feel at rest. Those campfire nights so long ago ain't ashes, just a glow. Still they warm me when I'm cold. Still they teach me what I know. Embers fade, stars hold on, night still hums that song. heart's full. Nails bent, dreams still new. Morning sun on borrowed clothes. Childhood dreams and overalls. Childhood dreams and overalls. Too big, too small. Wore 'em proud, wore 'em thin. Didn't know we had it all. Closet holds a different size. Mirror shows some borrowed time. I still feel that loose thread pulling me back then. Funny how the things we wore still fit the soul. Chasing clouds behind the shed, naming stars above the fence. Thought the world was just this far, safe inside my daddy's arms. Childhood dreams and overalls, sunburned tall. Every hope had open seams, ready for it all. If I could button up again that fearless skin, I'd walk out just like I did, with nothing but a grin. Those childhood dreams and overalls still call my name, reminding me the truest plans don't ever change. Folded now but not gone, dreams still wear 'em all on. Fresh white lines in the morning sun, covering scars we can't outrun. Same old boards, different shade. Fences painted white again. I walk the yard with a borrowed brush. Quiet house, but the paint smells new. Every stroke brings back a voice saying, son, some things are up to you. Fences painted white again, like we're starting over when time was kind and love was plain. Fences painted white again. Summer days in cut-off jeans. Dad laughed loud, Mom kept time. We drip paint on the grass, swore we'd fix it all next time. Didn't know we were sealing it, every memory. Fences painted white again, hiding cracks and old regrets. Not to lie, but to remind. Love can heal what time forgets. If forgiveness had a color, it looks something like this. Bright enough to face the truth, soft enough to miss. Fences painted white again, like we're starting over when time was kind and love was plain. Fences painted white again. Dust in the air, late afternoon, cardboard boxes, old perfume. I found your name in crooked ink, and every word made time stand still. A letter found in the attic said the things you never said. Folded dreams and second chances, written long before we bled. The house is quiet, roof still leaks, same old creaks along the stairs. I wonder if you ever knew I'd end up finding you up there. Some truths wait till it's too late. You wrote about leaving in the spring, chasing work in younger days. Said you'd come back before the frost, but life got in the way. A letter found in the attic, yellowed lines, a steady hand. I heard your voice between the words, trying hard to be a man. If I'd known you needed grace, more than pride, more than time, I'd have met you halfway home instead of reading this goodbye. If I'd known you needed grace, more than pride, more than time, I'd have met you halfway home instead of reading this goodbye. I folded it slow, then let it be. Some love waits to set us free. letter found in the attic didn't break me, didn't mend. It just showed me who you were and who I've always been. I folded it slowly, then let it be. Some love way to set us free. Needle sings and lamplight low, scraps of years lay row by row. Every tear, every smile, folded in to last a while. A quilt stitch with a memory pulled up to my chin. Every patch a chapter I'm living in. Thinner now along the seam, colors soft like old-time dream. Still it keeps the cold away in that faithful, quiet way. Funny how the worn-out threads hold the strongest end. Sunday dresses, workday jeans, baby blankets, teenage scheme. She'd hum low while stitching tight, teaching love by candlelight. Quilt stitched with memories that never once complained. Took the weight of every year and stayed the same. If I ever feel the chill or wonder where I've been, I wrap myself in yesterday and start again. A quilt stitched with memories, ain't cloth, it's time, sewn together by the hand that shaped my life. Like those dim seams still gleam, warmth remembers me. Rusty hum in the break of dawn, diesel dreams and a baseball cap. Every field had a melody, Grandpa sang it on that old tractor. That machine's parked by the barn, Tire low, but the paint's still proud. I hear his tune in the engine knob when the world gets too loud. Grandpa's tractor song rolls slow but strong. Taught me work ain't just for pay. It's how you love all day. Sun up sweat on an open field, grease-stained hands, a crooked grin. He tapped time on the steering wheel like the land was listening. Didn't know I was learning life, one furrow at a time. Grandpa's tractor song, simple notes but long. Every mile it rolled along, carried right from wrong. If I ever forget where I stand, or why I still believe, I follow tire tracks through the dust, back to what he gave to me. If I ever forget where I stand, or why I still believe, I'll follow tire tracks through the dust, back to what he gave to me. Dust kicks up with every throw, sun hangs high, we let it go. No lines drawn, but we all knew ball games in the empty lot. Parking lines and painted signs took the place of goalposts wide. I slow down where we used to run, hear the echoes, everyone. Funny how an open space holds a face. Ball games in the empty lot, play till daylight quit. Winners change, but not the rules. We never counted in. Rusty fences, borrowed gloves, made up teams and trash talk love. We'd argue calls and let them slide, just to keep the game alive. Ball games in the empty lot, scraped up knees and pride, taught us how to lose and laugh and let it ride. If I ever missed the sound of nothing planned or owned, I just grew into every risk I ever took and saw it through. Those ball games in the empty lot ain't gone, they just grew. Getting echoes. Carnival lights flicker in my mind. Laughter echoes down the old dirt lane. I can see the Ferris wheel turning, spinning high in the summer sky. Cotton candy hands, carousel rides, and you laughing by my side. The scent of popcorn in the warm night air, shadows of friends who aren't there. Oh, the ghosts of the county fair, they whisper soft and low. Rides long gone, but the memories glow. Every cheer, every game we played still haunts my heart. In the warm evening shade, the prize ribbons faded, the boost boarded up tight, but I remember the music and the fireflies at night. The carousel horse where you first held my hand, a small town fair, a young heart's land. Time moves on, the fairgrounds sleep, but the echoes linger, secrets they keep. I walk past the empty lot and I swear I hear your laughter on the summer air. Oh, the ghosts of the county fair, they whisper soft and low. Rides long gone, but the memories glow. Every cheer, every game we played still haunts my heart. In the warm evening shade, of the county fair, they whisper soft and low. Rides long gone, but the memories glow. Every cheer, every game we played still haunts my heart. In the warm evening shade. Old pine post, knife marked skin, letters crooked, cutting thin. Weathered wood still knows our names long after we outgrew the flame. Carved names on a fence post, swore we'd never change. Time took a hammer to those words, but the scars still stay. I lean there now with older hands, same dirt road, different plans. Grass grew tall where we once ran. Life don't wait like we once did it. Funny how a promise holds even when it breaks. Barely dark, July heat, borrowed knife and shaking knees. You laughed, said make it deep, like love was built to bleed. Carved names on the fence post, hearts too young to know that forever's just a word till the leaving starts to show. If I could sand those letters smooth, trace them one last time, I thank them for the truth they taught about your heart and mine. Those carved names on the fence post. Carved names on the fence post. Ain't a shame, ain't a boast, just proof that once upon a time we loved hard, we loved close. Rain may fall, wood may split, those names won't quit. Yellow hands in summer green, wishes whispered, never seen. Dandelions of long ago blew our dreams in rows and rows. We didn't know which way they'd go, we just let them fly. I walk that fence where we once ran, boots a little heavier now than then. The field feels small, the sky still can hold me. Funny how the smallest things remember everything. Barefoot circles in the yard, counting stars before it's dark. Every wish was falling hard from our hands. Those dandelions of long ago carried hope we couldn't hold. Every seed a story told before goodbye. Maybe some are growing still on roads we never meant to fill. Maybe that's the magic, will finds a way. One deep breath, eyes closed tight, let it go. Dandelions of long ago taught my heart what letting go really means and how to grow in the wind. Yellow fades to silver gray, but the wish don't fade away.